Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Realme phone find my device setting, how to enable. Today I will tell you in this video guys. Friends, you want to enable your Find My Device setting in your Realme phone, and friends, you want to use it. How can you enable? Today I will show you. So first of all, guys, open your phone setting to enable your Find My Device. After on phone setting, we will scroll it, and then we will click on guys, this password and security setting to enable Find My Device setting. Guys, tap your password on security. Friends, you can see there are two settings. So guys, manage password and system security. Guys, second option, tap here. Find My Device. Guys, tap here. As you want to use your Find My Device setting, as you can enable from here, you can use from here. Find My Device app, Find My Device app. Find My Device helps you while locate this device remotely, guys, as like remote. And as you can see, if you load the device, so it also helps you keep your data safe. So like that guy, we can enable Find My Device setting in Realme phone device, and then we can use it. And when you want to track your phone, so you can track also. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye.